This is my favorite part. Here we go, ready? Oh, I love that sound. Oh, wow, that is very gold looking. What do you think, eh? Wow. Let's put it back in the box. All right, that was it. No. So rose gold. Yeah, it feels the same weight as this one. So definitely not a metallic finish. It feels light like plastic, but it's completely circular. But I did not see this on the website. Double checking. No, there's a small little dimple right there. I'll show you when we turn it around. And this is a size 12. Okay, now I have 4 OURA rings. I have issues. I tried on a gold ring earlier this year, and I kind of liked the way it looked on my skin. So I'm thinking, maybe I don't need to wear silver and black all the time. And that's how it looks on my left index. Now I really thought this was new. I think it's just a new design, but I'm curious to see if they put anything else into it, because I swear they said that it charged a little faster. So let's take a look at the charger, shall we?